Lesson 12, Working with the Spry Framework. In this lesson, we're going to look at one of the more exciting additions to Dreamweaver. These are called Spry widgets or Spry Framework. Spry widgets give you the ability to create powerful navigation and content. These include things like drop-down and accordion menus, expanding panels, tab containers. All of these things are customizable with CSS as well. In this exercise, you'll learn how to make a Spry tabbed panel. This will allow you to create a section within your page that you can tab through without having to add new pages. So what you'll be doing is taking this content here, Shop in the Green, Cool New Stuff, Our Loyal Customers, and essentially cutting and pasting it into a Spry tabbed panel. So let's get started. The first thing you'll do is select this text Tabbed Panels here and then delete it. In order to add the Spry tab panel, you'll go to your Insert pane, click on the menu, and make sure that the Spry category is selected. Here you'll see the large number of Spry widgets. You want to scroll down and then click on the Spry tabbed panels. This will add it to your page. By default, when it's added to the page, if you look down in your Property Inspector, you'll see that the properties are modifiable down here. For example, the default tab panel only has 2 panels. You'll add a third. So down here under Panels, click on Tab 2, press the plus sign to add a new panel, and Tab 3 appears. Now you'll rename these tabs. So click on Tab 1, place your cursor on the text, and type What's New. Do the same thing for the second tab. Select that text and type Featured. And for the third tab, select that text and type What Our Customers Say. Okay, now you're going to take the content that's down below here and cut and paste it into each one of those tabs. Let's start with the first tab, What's New. Now, very important here, when you click on that tab, you want to make sure it's active. The way to make any Spry widget active is by clicking on this upper left-hand tab here, this blue tab where it says Spry Tab Panels. That ensures that the widget is actually active. Now, here in the first tab, What's New, I'm going to select all of this text here, including Shop in the Green, plus the graphic, plus the text. I'll then right-click on PC, Control-click on Mac, and choose Cut. Inside the What's New tab, where it currently says Content 1, I will now select that and paste the content. Make sure you delete Content 1. Now we're going to add content to the Featured tab. One little note here, when I place my cursor over the tab, you'll see a small eye icon appear. If you click on that eye icon, you will jump into the Featured tab, which is exactly what you want to do. Again, select all the text including the graphic, Cool New Stuff, and below. Choose Cut. Place your cursor here where it says Content 2. You can delete if you'd like, and you can actually Control or Command V to paste. And we'll repeat that for the third tab. Again, place your cursor over the third tab, What Our Customers Say. Click on that. Select all this text, Our Loyal Customers, and below, and cut. Place your cursor in content, and paste. Okay, so we now have all of our content in each one of those tabs. Dreamweaver actually has a new feature that quickly allows you to see what this would look like without actually going into the browser. It's called Live View. If you click on the Live View tab, you'll see that this appears in the Live View. Now let's go back and just tweak the What's New tab here, because this graphic here of the shopping bag is actually overlapping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and click on Live View again. And perhaps the fastest way is to go into the What's New section and press Return a few times. Let's go click in Live View and see if that fixed it. It did. And there you have your Spry tabbed panel.